of silence, calm but piercing tone. Sometimes, the person standing in your way isn't your enemy. It's the version of you that refuses to move. Low strings, light rain, a ticking clock beneath breath. The alarm clock blinked, 6 a.m., but it didn't matter. Because Tyler Morgan wasn't getting up. He hadn't gotten up the last 3 days. 29, overweight, unemployed, lived in his mom's basement. He said he was working on a screenplay, but mostly, he just played Call of Duty and ate gas station pizza. He used to be somebody. All-state linebacker, community college scholarship. People used to chant his name. Now, the only sound he heard was the silence between microwave beeps. His mom left a sticky note on the mini fridge that morning. Your cousin Eli's funeral is today, 1 p.m. Hope you'll come. Tyler just stared at it. Another reason to get dressed. Another reason he wouldn't. Because Tyler didn't do hard things anymore. He did comfortable things, easy things. Low piano creeps in, rising, pulsing, a montage of memory. Back in high school, Tyler was a name. He had fire, but it all started slipping when he blew out his knee. Sophomore year of college, no football, no scholarship. Back home, in the basement. That first year, rough. The second, worse. But the real problem wasn't his injury. It was identity loss. Because when you've always been the strong one, and suddenly, you're not, who the hell are you? He told himself stories. I'll bounce back. Just need time. Next month, I'll start working out again. But days turned into weeks, weeks into months, months into years. He got a part-time job, quit after 2 weeks, started streaming. Nobody watched, tried therapy, didn't go back. Laziness? Sure. But it was deeper than that. It was shame, disguised as comfort, fear, dressed up as a risk. And every day, he became a little more numb. Then came Eli, cousin Eli, the nerdy one, skinny, studious, the guy Tyler always picked on at family BBQs. Eli had cancer, didn't tell anyone, till stage 3. But he fought it, smiled through chemo, posted motivational quotes like, "Every day is a win, if you get out of bed." Eli died, last Tuesday, 27, still had fire. And Tyler? Still hadn't moved. Silence. Deep breath. One echoing footstep. It was 12:17 p.m. Tyler stared at his reflection. Gut hanging over boxers. Bloodshot eyes. Patchy beard. Hair like tangled weeds. He looked like what he felt. Rotten potential. Then something in him cracked. He punched the mirror. Glass hit the sink. Blood dripped from his knuckles. But for the first time in years, he felt awake. Black jeans, wrinkled button-up, shoes still caked in old dirt. He ran to his car. Didn't care how he looked, didn't care if he was late. He had to show up. He had to prove, to Eli, to himself, that he wasn't completely dead inside. The church was small, packed. He slipped in the back, just as the minister spoke. Eli was the kind of person who lived on purpose, even in pain, especially in pain. Tyler clenched his fists. Tears burned down his face, not because Eli was gone, but because Tyler had been. Hopeful piano, slow and soft, like footsteps returning. That night, Tyler went home, cleaned out his room, trashed the console, deleted the apps, tore down every old poster, set a 5 a.m. alarm, and this time, he got up, ran until he threw up, lifted until his muscles screamed, ate eggs instead of frozen pizza. Every day, he wrote Eli's name on a Post-it and stuck it to the mirror. Every day, he showed up to fight the version of himself that nearly won. And some days, he lost. But he didn't stay down. Applied for jobs, got rejected. Applied again, got hired at a local gym, became a trainer, helped kids who felt like he once did, started telling a story without shame, and people listened. One day, a kid asked, "Why do you keep that name on the mirror?" Tyler smiled, wiped sweat from his brow. "Because that's the man who saved my life by losing his." Rain fades, sun breaks through. One calm breath. You want to kill your laziness? Prove yourself? Then start by showing up when no one claps, no one sees, no one believes, because the enemy isn't the world, it's your own comfort. And the longer you hide there, the louder the silence becomes. So break the mirror, burn the excuses, and move. Because no one's coming to wake you up. You're the alarm.